All ZOLL AEDs are equipped with real CPR help technology that empowers rescuers with the tools necessary to provide high-quality CPR. Real CPR Help can see a rescuer's CPR compressions and provide them with real-time feedback on their CPR performance. ZOLL's VR app allows you to demonstrate the power of real CPR help in virtual reality. VR provides you with a tool to help you more clearly articulate real CPR help technology in a way that is interesting, engaging, and memorable. Using this tool is as simple as downloading the ZOLL VR app to your phone and spending a little time getting acquainted with the operation of the app and VR goggles. To ensure the greatest impact from the ZOLL VR app with your customers, preparation and practice are key. Let's start with downloading the app to your phone. To download the app, you'll need to go to ZOLL's VR Plus mobile landing page. The landing page includes instructions for both iPhone and Android devices, as well as system requirements for each. The app is best downloaded in an environment with a good Wi-Fi or cellular connection. The next step is to prepare your goggles. Remove the goggles from the box by sliding off the sleeve, opening the box, and removing the goggles. Next, locate the small plastic bag containing small black adhesive spacers. Then, remove the phone cradle by sliding them out of the side of the goggles. Note that before placing the phone in the goggles, you may need to remove it from your protective case if it's too large. It is also recommended that you turn your volume up to the preferred level before inserting it into the goggles. Lay the phone cradle face up on the table. Line up your phone in the center of the cradle. Taking the small black spacers, align and place them in the phone holder so that they prevent the buttons on the side of your phone from making contact with the holder. Place the phone in the holder of the cradle, activate the phone, and then select the ZOLL VR app. Insert the phone into the goggles with the screen facing you. Once the app has completed loading, the screen will instruct you to gaze at the center of the screen. When you look at the center of the screen, an orange circle will appear, indicating the app is starting. The VR app will run through a short scenario, then change perspective to you being over the top of the victim in position to provide CPR compressions.
When you realize an emergency situation is happening nearby, someone appears to be on the ground, unresponsive and not breathing.
Don't touch patient. Analyzing. No shock advised.
Place your hands on whatever you're going to be
Place your
simulating
left hand
compressions
over
on.
your right hand and
This could be a
interlock
mannequin,
fingers.
table, or back of a chair.
Keep your arms straight.
When the app
Place
indicates that you should do
interlocked hands on
compressions,
top of the
begin
CPR
doing
sensor.
CPR compressions, ensuring that
keep
your head is
shoulders
moving up
above
and
the
down with your
victim's
compressions. Note that
Watch
the
the
app
AED
measures
screen.
compressions by the
Push
movement of
harder.
your head and phone, not your hands.
Push
Continue
harder.
doing compressions as instructed. The app does an abbreviated CPR cycle of about
Push
1
harder.
minute.
Good compressions.
Once complete, the app will score your compressions. Note that the app is intended to be a simulation of real CPR help and not designed to be as accurate as the actual ZOLL AED. Now that you've completed a VR session using the ZOLL app, continue to practice until you're comfortable with placing your phone in the goggles, starting the app, what the user is seeing in the app so you can help direct their actions. Now that you're comfortable with the ZOLL app, you can use it as a tool to help you in creating an interesting and engaging experience for your customers. A few tips to help ensure that your VR demonstration goes smoothly. Use your own phone. The app is already loaded on it and you are familiar with it. Ensure your volume is turned up to the desired level before placing your phone in the goggles. Decide where you're going to do compressions, such as on a mannequin, on the back of a chair, or on a table. Explain to the customer that the app measures head movement from the phone, and to be sure to move their head when compressions begin, and to look down to see the victim. At the completion of the demo, summarize the purpose of the app. Explain to the customer that the app is a simulation of ZOLL's real CPR help technology. Real CPR help provides real-time feedback on CPR compressions and helps ensure the delivery of high-quality CPR. This concludes the demonstration of the ZOLL VR app. We hope you'll find this tool useful in demonstrating the power of ZOLL's real CPR help technology. If you have questions, contact your ZOLL channel partner manager. If you don't know who your channel partner manager is, contact customer service and provide your geographical location.